आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द नेचर ऑफ साइंस। साइंस इज अ वे ऑफ थिंकिंग मच मोर देन इट इज अ बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज। Scientific method. The scientific method is the sequence of steps that scientists follow when attempting to answer a question or explain an observation. Has been used for some of the most famous discoveries. Discovery of the first Asian smallpox was a deadly contagious disease with a 30% fatality rate. The disease is now eradicated thanks to a doctor who employed the scientific method. An observation is the act of viewing or nothing a detail, fact, or occurrence. Dr. Jenner observed that dairymaid's how catch cowpox seemed to be protected from smallpox. A hypothesis is a testable explanation or predication based on the observation and the scientist's prior knowledge. Dr. Jenner's hypothesis: if a person was exposed to cowpox, they would become immune to smallpox. An experiment tests the hypothesis under controlled conditions with defined variables. Independent variable. New factor that is to be introduced and tested. Dependent variable. They measured result that is influenced by the independent variable. Controlled variables kept constant so they do not influence the dependent variable. Dr. Jenner included an 8-year-old child with cowpox, then weeks later smallpox. Independent variable. The weekend dependent variable. Vulnerable or immune to smallpox. Constant only unexposed children used. The control group does not receive the independent variable. The experimental group receives the independent variable. Data includes all of the measurement and observation made during the experiment. That boy was included 20 times with smallpox without catching it. The conclusion states whether the hypothesis is supported by the experiment. Peer review involves publishing the results for other scientists to review and check for error based on uncontrolled variables. Dr. Jenner submitted his study to the Royal Society for Medicine but was told they needed more proof. Margin of error is an estimate of how different a result is from the actual value. All experiments have errors in measurement, design, or other factors. Margin of error can be reduced by increasing the sample size or number of observations used. in an experiment or study. Dr. Jenner was able to locate several other parents who were willing to volunteer their children. The results were finally published. Jenner called his technique vocation after the Latin word for cow, voca.